Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. Okay, so I told y'all in one of my last videos that I was going to do a video to show y'all the things that I take to keep my immune system built up. All these things do other things. I'm going to show y'all the things that just for immune system. And on my Unity Art Pieces channel, I'll go through each one of these and tell y'all the different benefits of them. You can also get vitamins that I'm finna, supplements that I'm finna show y'all. You can get them in a leaf, root, or flower, so you don't just have to get them in a pill. All the ones I got are vegetable or vegetarian capsules. If they too big, because I always had this thing about swallowing really big pills, my mom will always give us golden seal, and golden seal is a very strong herb. Now let me say this, before you try any of this, make sure you check with your primary care doctor that it's okay for you to take this. Okay, all these right here that I'm showing y'all is good for your immune. It's good for other things too, but it's good for you. I'm just telling y'all the things that y'all can take for just to keep your immune system built up. So golden is in liquid. Be honest, they say you can put it in your drink. I just do it like that, some drops in my mouth and drink water. It's not good. This one tastes better than the one we used to get when we was little. It has a little sweet taste, but at the end it's like, it's not good. But with this, please drink a lot of water. Flush it out. It's very strong. And if you take this and you don't drink a lot of water, you can get a urinary tract infection. It is really strong. So you have to be really careful with golden seal. It's what they say, it's like one of the kings of all herbs. So I'm finna take some. I'll be taking a lot. That's not good. I'm gonna drink some water. Ooh, I haven't took none in a couple of days. It's very strong, so be careful with it. But this one is gluten free and alcohol free. So I will put all the links to these in the description box so you can get them off Amazon and they can ship right to your house. Amazon is not shipping as quick as it used to do, but it does still get to you. The golden seal, like I say, be really careful with golden seal because it's very strong. You got to drink a lot of water. Like I just drank, I'm gonna drink probably about 2 more bottles of this to flush it out. Okay, so the next that is really good for your immune system, and I got this from Walmart. I always use another brand, but this was very reasonable. When I get the other one that I usually use, I do a video and show y'all that on my other channel. But this is turmeric, and turmeric is good for immune. Good for many other things, but good for immune. And yeah, so this is a powder, and this is veg. And this was, I think it could have been $10. Wasn't even that much. This brand right here is based out from Walmart. So it's really good. It'll cleanse you out, and it'll keep your immune system. So that's turmeric. Another thing, I started taking this probably around like 2006. This brother told me I had a cold back then, and I rarely got cold. I remember him was at the health food store. He said you should get some elderberry, and I remember the liquid was like $15. Elderberry is expensive, but you can, like I say, with all these, you can also always get the berry and boil it. Make your own syrup. You can also get the leaf, well, the berry. You can also get it in a powder form, a liquid form. Now these is some gummies that I got. This is my second time getting them. I always get elderberry in a liquid form. I purchased these, and they good, but you have to be real careful. They taste so much like candy that I had the first thing I got, the first time I bought these in the gummies, my son ate them like candy, and then they're just too sweet for me. But they sweet and they work and they build your immune system up. This brand right here also have it in the liquid, and that's what I always used to get, the liquid form. And this one is gelatin free, because I know I grew up Muslim and we didn't eat gelatin, but now they make vegetarian gelatin, or they do have a beef gelatin or fish gelatin if you don't eat pork. If you're just vegan, they have a vegan vegetarian gelatin now. But these are gelatin free right there. Y'all see that? They're gelatin free. And most of the time when I say gelatin free, it's mainly talking about pork. animal products. This is really good. It builds your immune system up. Elderberry does many things. And like I say, make sure y'all subscribe to my Unity Art Pieces channel, because I'm really finna start posting on that channel like I used to, like other art things that I do, fashion, and a lot of benefits of different herbs and stuff. So elderberry is a very, 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 very good immune builder. Alright. So the next thing I want to share with y'all, and I've been taking this for years. I take the tea. Like I say, I usually don't buy this brand, and they have it at Walmart. It was very reasonable, and this is a vegan capsule, and this is Echinacea. It is a great immune builder. You see what's immune health? Great, great immune builder. You could get the plant. I think it's a plant or a flower. It's one of them. Yeah, so you can get this in other forms. So another thing, I've been taking this probably like the last 2 years. And this is a very, very good immune builder. You could probably see it on there. Immune support. Stay focused. And by me being I'm an artist, and I be like I'm so blessed to have like y'all still supporting me in these times. So I've been so busy, so I have to make sure I gotta look over here, make sure orders coming from that way, orders coming from that way. And this is a really good, it keeps you focused, and it relieves a lot of stress. But I'm gonna do a video on ashwagandha. Alright, so another thing for a good immune builder is vitamin K2 and D3. It's good for many other things, but it's really good for immune builder. Alright. So I'm going to put all these in the description box so y'all can look them up. I've been taking this for years. I used to give it to my children when they was little. And my son Esau, he would come in the room and I'd be like, "Huh, you got to take your Blackseed." He'd be like, "Ugh, Blackseed is so nasty." And then when he would get a cold or something, he'd come in the room and he'd be like, "What my Blackseed?" He loved his Blackseed. But Blackseed is so dope. I think I spoke on this on my other channel about how they found it in King Tut's tomb, and how Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that Blackseed is the cure to all diseases besides death. So this is something that will keep your immune system up. And you can also get it in the seed, and you can also get it in the liquid. It's interesting because I see a lot of things like this been going like commercial, but when I first started taking this, you rarely seen people promote it like it's being promoted now. So you can really, this is my first time taking this brand, but I'm gonna tell y'all the brand that I usually take when I first start taking it. I will order it from this company in London, and I'm going to show y'all something that they sent me to do a review on, which I'm gonna do a review on it soon. And it's also a good for me builder. But this right here, Blackseed, make sure you have some of this in your household. You get it in a liquid, you could get it in the seeds, and it's a good immune builder. This is what I was telling y'all. This company right here, the Blackseed, they are big on Blackseed, and I've been ordering them for years, and they sent this right here for me to try. It's bee pollen, which is good for many things, but it's good for build your immune system up. So I'm gonna do a review on this, and I will let y'all know the other benefits of bee pollen. All right, yeah, so really good for immune building. Thank you for sending this product to me. I done had it for a while, but it's like they sent it to me like right before the corona thing. So I just haven't had time to do a complete review, but it is coming up. And this is 90 capsules. It is vegan. All this stuff, y'all, I don't take it all of it every day. I might take 2 here, like 3 here, 2 here. I don't take it all. But yeah, the day I took Echinacea, Elderberry, I took some golden seal, I took Blackseed. No, I ain't take Echinacea. I took Blackseed. I took my multivitamins, which I'm finna show y'all, which I showed y'all in the Black Business Spotlight. And this is Answer, and I love this. It's good to get your multivitamin. They build your immune system, and you're gonna get all your A's, your C's, your D's. It got D3, which I just showed y'all D3 in this, but it got all that magnesium, zinc. I'll put the links in the description box for this. I really like this. The sister Tia Mari from the Tia Tamara show, she the co-founder of this, and is vegan, and it's really good. And she reposted me on Instagram once I posted this. I like this. It's really, really good. Okay, I just got these today, and this is sea moss with bladder wax, which is like a seaweed, and burdock root. Really good for immune builder. I first heard of bladder wax, like the seaweed mix, from Dr. Sabi. I still have that downstairs. I never threw it away. I don't think I'm gonna try it. I don't know if it's still good. It might be still good, but I still have it, and I bought that in 2050. Some just told me to keep it, and it's got a lot in there, and I'm like, I don't think this not would nest me. I don't know, 2015, but it's natural. I don't know, y'all. So we got the bladder wax and the burdock root. Burdock root is really, really good. The burdock root, you can get that as a root. My sister, she got a lot. She gonna bring me some over, and you can boil the bladder wax. You get that as a powder, or you get it as a, the seaweed and the sea moss, and you can make you sea moss gel. I'm pretty sure y'all see that everywhere. But this, I just took 2 today. I did feel weird when I took it, because sometimes when you take stuff, you feel kind of nausea or whatever. It didn't make me feel that way. So I'll update y'all more on this on the other channel. Sea moss advance superfoods. Y'all got paid everywhere. I've been working like crazy. All right, so I'm almost finished, y'all. I told y'all I had a lot to show y'all. Okay, did I show y'all? Yeah, I showed y'all turmeric. All right, so this is another good thing to build your immune. It's ginger root, and you can get this in a root. My sister gonna bring me some more ginger root. She got all the stuff over there, so she gonna bring me some ginger root, because I made me some ginger and lemon. That's all I boiled. I just boiled the ginger and the lemon, and then I just put a little honey and drunk it like daily. And that's what I need to do again, just to keep my immune system up. So like I say, many of these things you can do more, is more benefits. But to be honest, it's so crazy, because people say I prefer the root. I don't know what those companies putting it in there, but we don't know, unless we growing it ourselves. We don't know what the you know what I'm saying. So just anytime you take anything, just say your little prayers and ask the universe and ask the God in you to protect you. You'll be all right. So this was another black seed. I showed y'all black seed, but you can also get it in a liquid form. Just take a couple of drops of it, or you could just put, you could put it inside your drink. So the next thing is good to build your immune, and this is the last thing I'm gonna show y'all. I think I showed y'all everything. Is zinc. Zinc is really, really good. This right here got magnesium, and it got calcium, and it got zinc, and I go D3 again. Like right here, that D3 is really, really good. Both of these are good for your immune system. So with this pill is huge. And matter of fact, I just took 2 of these before I did the video, and they don't make me feel weird. Now I'm gonna tell you what make me feel weird. Just straight potassium. I remember I bought some of them from the health food store, and they made me feel weird. I gave them to my mom. Yeah, they make me feel weird. And this was a multivitamin I was taking, and this is really expensive. And I think it's probably 2 left. No, ain't none in there. They all gone. It made me sleepy. So that's why I'm glad I got the answer, because I like the answer. But yeah, so your D3 is good to help. All these are good. They got the zinc in it, the D3, the magnesium, and the calcium. On top of that, to build your immune system up, like I say, honey is good. Lemons, limes, mints. There's so many other things that you can do. Drinking a lot of water. Make sure you exercise, and make sure you're doing breathing exercises. I just wanted to share this with y'all. I'll put all the links in the description box. Like I say, before you take any of this, make sure you consult primary care physician, because you want to make sure that you're not allergic to anything. So those are the things that I take. Many of them I've been taking for years, and some of the new stuff like the D3 and all that, I have just started taking. and I feel good. So salam. If y'all have any questions, y'all leave it in a comment. But don't forget to check out my Unity Art Piece channel. This week coming up, I'm going to start uploading videos over there, the benefits of this and the benefits of that. So make sure y'all go check that channel out. All right. Salam.